back with another valuable video. Now, in today's video is the introduction into how to trade gold top to bottom. This is going to be a series of, I'm not sure how many videos, but it will be throughout this Q4 2021. So I'm going to end the year with a series of videos specifically around gold, okay? And the reason behind it is because, number one, I've been trading gold a lot lately. I want to say 90% of my trades have come from gold, and I've been extremely profitable and consistent with it. So I really want to take the time to share with you, the strategy ultimately, but also just, top-down analysis from a fundamental standpoint, also down to the technicals. If you've watched any of my videos, you have an idea of how I technically do analysis and how I really bust down the charts from a technical perspective. This series is going to revolve a lot around the
Today is Monday, October 4th,
the fundamentals of trading gold. Okay, I see a lot of videos just in general. They're very technical analysis, heavy, and I don't see too many videos that really dive deep into the fundamentals and how fundamentals play a part in price delivery, but also how the institutions are delivering price and how you can be on that right side. If you know anything about my trading style or how I like to trade, is I like to be on the right side of the market. I like to trade along with the institutions, not against. So the fundamentals actually plays a huge part into tying into your technical analysis, to helping you really see where the market is most likely going to be headed. So yeah, this video series is going to be it's going to be very impactful, hopefully, for everyone who has who's looking to trade gold. I'll also be looking to really dive deep into the psychological aspects of trading gold, or trading a highly volatile pair, such as gold, or whether it may be an indice or any other fast moving currency that you may be trading. So the goal is to really show you how to trade it. Number one, how to not be afraid to trade it, and really help you develop potentially a trading plan around this particular metal. Okay, and so first and foremost, we do know that gold is not necessarily it is not a currency pair. It's a metal. So we are trading. We're not unlike for instance, the British pound, or the Japanese yen, or anything like that. We're actually trading a metal. But then we're also, one must know that gold is a safe haven. Okay, so I'll dive deep into that, what that all means moving forward. In today's video, the higher time frame analysis, I'll go into how to properly, do your, higher time frame analysis and transpose that down to the daily, the 4-hour, and how to properly assess where gold is headed to next. But then also execution strategies and how to enter, exit, and I'll be sharing with you some really golden nuggets that I hope that you guys will be able to take and see profitability throughout this journey. I don't have a set way in how I'm going to release the content. My thoughts are going to be pretty much twice a week, once a week, but then I'll also be sharing shorts on, short videos on how I'm trading gold on that particular day, that particular week. I'll share with you my trading model for gold specifically, that you can take and rip off for yourself, make it better, if you see fit, but I will show you exactly what I look for and how I look for it, and how I execute, obviously. So that's that. And so whether you want to intraday trade it, whether you want to scalp it, whether you've never traded gold before, whether you have traded gold before, hopefully you will be able to take something from it to apply it to your own strategy or model moving forward. But I've had much success with this over the last really couple of months. I've been secretly trading gold, and it's something that hence the reason why I stopped streaming was because I was really trying to perfect my strategy and my model around gold, and I really wanted to give myself room to, I guess, mess up and make mistakes and refine my model and refine my strategy. But now I feel really good about it to where I can share it with you guys, the world. So so you guys sit tight, sit back. Thanks for riding with me. Let's close the year out. I want to like the no pun intended, but I really wanted to close the year out with some gold. And what better way than to give you guys the golden strategy? I know that sounds corny as hell, but we're gonna end the year off with a bang, man, and we will be releasing videos. So stay locked in. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification bell, keep notifications on, so that way you get notified when the next release is coming out. This is just an introduction till the first video drops. See you guys very soon. Good luck and happy trading.